smell. Relax smell. 너도 smell.
Hello everyone, this is Andeez and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review some of the products that BTS use, and I myself also have used them and liked them. This video is not sponsored at all, but if you want to sponsor me, don't forget to DM my Instagram or my Facebook page. So I want to let you guys know my taste a little. I like Jungkook and Suga's taste a lot more. They usually use stuff that are more sweet and flowery for Jungkook, and in Suga's case, he likes to use products that gives off a very cool, mature vibe. So I mean, like, not to be a narcissist, but when my friends first met me, most of them told me that they thought I gave off this cool girl vibe, but it didn't last that long because soon they realized that I am very shadyao and silly. So yeah, if you want to mask yourself like I did and fool others to think in the as a first impression that you are a cool girl or like a cool boy, you can use what I use. And prepare your money because I'm about to make you lose some. So let's get started. Number 1, W Dress Room, number 97, April Cotton Perfume. So this is the one that fans recognized in 2016's V-Live that Jungkook uses this perfume. This is actually a perfume that diffuses out bad smell or odor, and it's actually still a pretty subtle perfume. Like, it doesn't give off a very strong smell. It's very refreshing, soothing, and like it's very comfortable. You know, like how Jungkook gives off a very comfortable and clean vibe? That's how I think this perfume smells. And I think it's like the go-to when you go to eat barbecue or hot pot. You know, the smell stays on your clothes, so you can use this perfume to diffuse them out. And this perfume is not to directly spray it on your skin, but rather on your clothes. So be careful about that. And I personally think that you can also use this as an air freshener. Like, I mean, it's super cheap. It's only, I think, like $10. So you won't even feel bad if you like just spray it around to make your room smell good. And I think like V also uses W Dress Room's Morning Rain, I think. I don't really remember clearly. I personally have never used it, but if V likes it, then I think that's a good recommendation. Number 2, Downy detergent. I think everyone knows this by now because like there were just so many memes that got out. Like Jungkook himself couldn't restock his detergent because armies everywhere raided the store. So yeah, even to be honest, like I myself, I could never find Downy Adorable, exactly the one Jungkook uses, but I also use their other series, and I think that Downy is like super amazing at making these detergents. Like they smell super nice, super sweet, and you know, like when people say that this person has a very natural smell, it's usually because this person uses shampoos or detergent that smells really nice. So if you don't like to use perfumes or like don't want to add artificial smell on yourself, you can use detergent. It gives off a super natural but sweet smell. I have this friend who got exactly the one that Jungkook uses, the Downy Adorable one, and when we go to dance practices and we are all drained in sweat, I think she still smells super nice. So I think this is one of my go-to detergents, and it's not that expensive either. Like, I mean, if you're a celebrity, it doesn't really mean that you're going to use everything that's expensive. There are so many products that are cheap but still very, very good. Like, I think I bought the Downy detergent on a sale, like 6 or 10 kg of them, like for only about like 100 RMB. But the sad part is I can't use them anymore because I bought them when I was in Shanghai and they're all locked in my dorm. So if you don't live in your home country and you're just like traveling back and forth, take this as a lesson. Like, take my sad experience as a lesson and don't buy too much of these products, because if a pandemic happens and you can't go back for a year or 2, then they're just going to expire. So only buy the amount you yourself are going to use. Number 3, Jo Malone Blackberry and Bay. This one. This is finally a product that I got back from Shanghai. Like all the other products, I couldn't bring them back. Well, I didn't exactly brought it back. It's more like in Shanghai I bought another one, but I used it up like within a few months, and then when I was coming back to Bangladesh, I got this from a duty-free shop because it's a little bit cheaper to buy it from duty-free. And I think like Suga himself never really revealed that he uses this one, but a lot of fans say that they could smell this one on him, and it's actually exactly how I imagined Suga to smell like. It has a very unisex, matured vibe, like it gives off kind of like a woody smell. I think like I can never stop smelling this. But there is one infamous downside to Jo Malone is that it doesn't last that long, like within a few hours the smell is just gonna go away. So to make it last a little bit longer and stay a little bit longer, I personally like to use some of the lotions or moisturizer, because when your skin has some moisture in it, the perfume stays a little bit longer. And also when you spray it on clothes, I think it stays a little bit longer. And also I think there's this really fun part about this brand is that they have a lot of products, right? They have this series and you can actually mix and match the perfumes up. Like you can layer the perfumes and you will smell really nice. Number 4, Victoria's Secret Teas. I think a lot of you already saw Jungkook using this in a Bangtan Bomb episode. I think Jungkook really likes to use perfumes that are usually targeted towards women, and Victoria's Secret perfumes are usually very sweet and has this flowery smell, and they're almost always on sale. I'm not sure if they're on sale right now, but you can check it out on their website. Number 5, Aveeno Stress Relief Moisturizing Lotion. So it was revealed by 1DK that V uses this one. He uses the one that's lavender scented, and I think it smells really sweet, and since it's a lotion, it gives off a very natural and comfortable and soothing smell. So if you're someone who doesn't like to use strong perfume, you can use this one. And as I said before, if you like to use perfume and you put on lotion at first, the perfume also stays longer. And also, since a lot of dermatologists also recommend this product, so I think it's also good for your skin. That's it for today. Bye bye!